Hi, Mike. Yes, we've been tracking how much rain has fallen, particularly in the northern half of the state, because that's where we still have snow on the ground. And that's key with the warm temperatures and the rain falling down. It's melting away some of the snow. So the river flooding is certainly something we're watching closely this evening. And there are a few flood warnings at this hour. This is looking at the radar and how much rainfall has fallen. A few spots easily over an inch, like in the White Mountains and also in the Monadnock region. Looks like we're approaching an inch. Manchester points to the south. That lighter green color is indicating where we have maybe about a half inch to maybe 3/4 of an inch of rainfall. We have a flood watch that's been posted for the darker green color for the northern half of the state. That goes until 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. And we do have some warnings to tell you about. The first one, the Pemmy at Plymouth, that will get to minor flood stage by tomorrow morning. Also minor flood stage just to the north of there in Woodstock on the Pemmy. And then we're also watching the Saco in Conway Center, where that is also expected to get to minor flood stage by Tuesday afternoon. And of course, if you do happen to come across a roadway that is covered with water, please turn around. Don't try to drive through it. For more on the extended forecast, let's go back to Mike.